You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name of Hawaiian origin, or at least originally. If you want to learn more names from Hawaii or Hawaii, make sure to stay tuned, meaning divine or heavenly. It's generally pronounced in English as Kiana. I believe in Hawaiian, in Hawaii, it's often pronounced also as Kiana, Kiana. But in English, in the United States, generally, it's more commonly pronounced as Kiana, Kiana or Kiana. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.